How to change language in Duolingo app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what you need to do is launch the Play Store application and search for Duolingo just to make sure you have an updated version of the Duolingo app. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Duolingo app. So simply tap on open. As you tap on open, make sure that you're logged into your account over here. And as you can see, I've already logged into my account on the screen. So you just have to make sure you have stable internet connection. So what you need to do in order to change the language is simply tap on the flag icon at the top left corner of the screen. So select on that, and here you can just add another language. So you can just select on the course icon over here and you can select any other languages. Now let me select one of the languages and then tap on continue, and as I tap on continue, it will just ask you on how you would want to continue or how much do you know about this particular language. So you can just start continuing and answering all the questions that is being asked, and then you can tap on continue, and after that you'll be able to change the language into Duolingo app. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.